Snapshot 2.5 TG is a selective pre-emergent herbicide that stops weeds before they germinate. The active ingredients isoxaben and trifluralin work together to prevent over 120 grassy and broadleaf weeds in landscaped areas. Snapshot TG provides over-the-top control of weeds and ornamentals, including crabgrass, clover, chickweed, poa annua, goosegrass, henbit, and more. Snapshot can be applied in or around more than 600 labeled landscape ornamentals, ground covers, container-grown ornamentals, non-cropland, non-bearing fruit and nut trees, and other usage sites listed on the product label. Snapshot is not labeled for weed control in turf grasses. Apply Snapshot 2.5 TG before your target weeds have time to germinate. In many cases, this will mean early spring, after the ground has thawed, but before the soil temperature reaches 50 degrees. Keep in mind that weeds germinated in cooler temperatures, such as henbit or dandelion, will require a fall application. To apply Snapshot TG, begin by calibrating your granular spreader. Refer to the manual of your spreader for proper settings. Next, put on your personal protective equipment, including long sleeves, pants, closed-toed shoes, and socks. Snapshot TG should be applied at a broadcast rate of 2.3 to 4.6 pounds per 1,000 square feet, depending on the weeds to be controlled. Make sure to spread the granules evenly as you walk in your application area. Be sure to use your spreader guard to prevent granules from being thrown into undesirable areas of turf. Once you have applied Snapshot, you'll need to activate the product by watering them in with about 1/2 inch of water with a hose or sprinkler. If rainfall is expected soon, you can let Mother Nature do the work for you. Granules must be watered in within 3 days of application for activation. Snapshot 2.5 TG provides up to 8 months of weed control and season-long control in many areas. Wait at least 60 days between applications. Snapshot should not be used in areas where bedding plants will be planted or transplanted within 1 year following your application. Always read the product label before use for detailed application instructions, specific usage rates, and non-tolerant plants. You can check with your local master gardener or cooperative extension office for the recommended timing in your region. And it's that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.